nilang puntos sa trinabaho ng Comedy Divas.
Let's see if it's there. Come on, Princess Daisy. Paputok is out.
Alright, ano ba yung hindi natin nag-guess?
Sorry.
Everybody number 6, please.
Gas.
And finally,
Sayang.
top
You're getting
answer.
close.
Top answer natin. Faulty.
Faulty wiring. Oh yeah, that's what I learned in my reading.
Wiring. Iba
Reading
yun, iba yung
comprehension.
positive. Kasi ang faulty electrical wiring po pwedeng nasa loob ng bahay. Di ba na medyo naka-expose na pala, yung wala na yung goma, tapos yun yung sanhi ng sabog. But anyway, may scores na po ang dalawang teams. Young Divas, 68 points.
Ew.
59 points. Sino kaya ang hahakot ng punto sa ating double points round?
Let's find out.
Okay, Thayan, attack. Let's play round 3.
Here we go. Take it away. Oh, laban-laban. Yun ang gusto ko.
Top 6 answers on the board. Ang tanong, anong dapat mong gawin para magmukha kang payat sa group picture? Go.
Mag-diet or mag-exercise.
Side you now. Pass or play attack? Let's play round 3. Kaya balik muna tayo. Dami, anong dapat mong gawin para magmukha kang payat sa isang group picture?
Stay behind the person who's fat.
Survey says...
Oh yeah, that's what I said. Stay behind the person.
Hindi humihinga yung...
Grabe naman, Ate Petit.
5 lang. Pati ba yung mukha
Weh.
hindi?
That was so funny.
Yun lang.
But I'm not fat. I'm thin.
Dapat mong gawin para magmukha ka pa yan sa picture.
Stand still.
Gen Z selfie 0.5. Nandyan ba yun? Zoom out.
Okay.
Yuko lang ng konti.
Yuyuko, tapos naka-side view.
Oo, ganun.
Oh, come on. That's the same. Itagilid. It's the same thing.
Dami, ano pa
Sorry.
kaya? Dapat gawin para magmukhang payat sa group picture.
Magsuot ng damit na itim or black.
Nice,
Para
nice.
payat.
Lalo na long sleeves. Oo. Pwede long sleeves. Nandyan ba ang
Payat, magsuot
pagsusuot
ng itim na damit.
Nice. Or what about this one? Compress yourself. It means, take for example, you have to stand still, and then put your hands and arms together. Don't make an inch, don't make a gaping space or an inch.
Edit.
Feet together, arms together, like that. Nope. It seems like my prince is gonna steal this one.
Ano ang dapat mong gawin para magmukha kang payat?
Magsuot ng maluwag na damit.
Sa bagay, para
What?
mukhang ano sa'yo, malaki sa'yo, dahil pumayat ka na.
Yes.
Pwede rin yun, magsuot daw ng maluwag na damit. Young Divas, kailangan nyo humabol. Marian, anong dapat mong gawin para magmukha kang payat?
Takpan yung chan ng...
Yeah, that's what I said. Compress yourself. But that's just compress your stomach only.
sa may body area.
Ana,
Same lang, magtakip ng unan sa chan.
okay.
Here comes the princess.
Wala sa kasalan, walang unan.
Basta magtakip.
Zed, ano ang dapat mong gawin para magmukha kang payat sa group picture for the win? Stephanie.
Sorry guys, iba to. Mag-pose. Magpo-pose ka. Posing.
Project lang.
Project.
Posing like this. Look at me. I put my hands on my hips to show that I'm a model. Paano ba yan, Ate Zeph? Is it there? Bokya! Sorry. Now, what could be that last answer? What? Weird. Fail! What a funny class picture! Hanep! Hanep, 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 hanep. Hanep! Hanep!
Yes, to win promo. Kaya kayo po po, yes, kayo, may chance po kayo manalo ng 20,000 pesos kung sasagutin niyo po ang tanong na ito. Magbigay ng salitang pwede mag-describe sa joke. A. Masarap. B. Corny. Send in your official entries sa ating Guest to Win promo website.
Hey, send your entries and information and our social media accounts. At babalik na. Babalik. Yeah!